Hi, I'm Curtis Gibson from Gibson and Sons. I'm the current General Manager of the business. Last year I was a lucky winner of the Rising Star Award. That was a significant milestone within my career. It was recognition for some of the challenges and the wins that we had within our business, and to share that with the team was great. It got us recognition on a large scale with our supply chain and customers. It's done wonderful things for us. Gibson and Sons is a fifth generation family-owned company, founded back in 1896. The business had a background in building specialised machinery purpose-built for the timber industry. In current times it's progressed into more bespoke materials handling and renewable resources with a heavy automation focus. My background is a mechanical trade-based background where I went on to engineering, and that was on the rolling stock side of things in the Hunter Valley. For 10 years I roughly worked in that area when the opportunity came up for me to relocate back to the family business. I started my journey into the business through the service and automation side. There was a quick decision for me to go into the general manager role. We've since then rolled out online SharePoint, ERP, cloud-based systems for our manufacturing. A lot of our 3D simulations and design packages have changed, and that allows us to all be on a uniform platform and help with the advanced manufacturing techniques going forward. Being a regional employer, we do have our challenges, but we've always recruited strong. We've got very talented, multi-skilled people that have a great career path. So that helps us progress and adapt to change. We've invested a lot of money into point cloud scanning, 3D modelling and simulation so that customers can understand what their challenges are. We can do cycle times, cost-benefit analysis without throwing a whole heap of money at physical operations. So we can gain confidence, build trust, get multiple touch points with our customer to ensure that we get the right outcome. We put on 3 apprentices a year. We do work experience, work placement to try and encourage people into the industry, and I think that's a great key part of who we are. We like to see ourselves as a community-based business. It is nice to get that award and receive it. I am proud, but it's also a reflection of everybody around me. When you're backed with good mentors and support around you, like the industry events that we're here tonight with, it makes a big difference. Happy 20th anniversary, HMA. We really appreciate what you're doing for manufacturing Australia, especially in our regional area. Thank you for all that you've done, and hopefully there's plenty more years to come.